In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Accountant View in QuickBooks Online. This is a quick but really useful setting that can make your QuickBooks experience a lot easier, especially if you move between managing your own books and working like an accountant or bookkeeper. We'll walk through exactly where to click, what each option means, and how you can switch back and forth anytime you need. First, go ahead and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Use your usual sign-in method and wait for your main dashboard to load. It doesn't matter which page you land on after logging in, you'll always be able to change the view from the same place. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of your screen for the small gear icon. This is the settings menu in QuickBooks Online. It might look tiny, but almost all your key preferences and configuration options live here. Click on that gear icon to open the settings drop-down menu. When the menu opens, you'll see several sections and options. In that list, look for an option that either says Switch to Accountant View or Switch to Business View. Exactly what you see depends on what view you're currently using. If you're in Business View right now, you'll see the option to switch to Accountant View. If you're already in Accountant View, you'll see the reverse, an option to switch to Business View. Go ahead and click the option that appears for you. After you click it, QuickBooks may prompt you to confirm that you want to change views. This is just a simple safeguard so you don't change the layout by accident. If you see a confirmation message, review it briefly and then click to confirm the switch. Once confirmed, QuickBooks will refresh the page and your layout will change to the selected view. Accountant View is generally more detailed and geared toward users who are comfortable with accounting concepts, while Business View is a bit more streamlined and beginner-friendly. Take a moment to look around and notice how the menus and navigation might look slightly different. The great thing is that this change is not permanent or locked in. You can switch back and forth between Accountant View and Business View anytime you want, using the same gear icon in the upper right corner and the same menu option. If one layout feels confusing, just switch back to the one that makes more sense for you. And that's all it takes to change Accountant View in QuickBooks Online.